Hi everyone! Welcome back to Anne Design Craft channel. Today, I'm so excited to show you how to crochet a beautiful carnation flower. Carnations symbolize love and admiration, making them perfect for gifts, decorations, or simply adding a touch of charm to your crochet collection. I'll guide you step by step, so whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, this project will be fun and rewarding. Here are the tools you'll need for this video: 4-ply cotton yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, a needle, and a wire for shaping the flower. Let's start with the petals using white yarn. Start with 2 chains and 10 double crochet in a magic ring. Then do a slip stitch in the first stitch. Let's begin with round 1. Start by chaining 2, then make a double crochet in each stitch all the way around. Then do a slip stitch in the first stitch. By the end of this round, you should have a total of 10 stitches. Now for round 2, start by chaining 2. Then do 6 double crochets in one stitch. And repeat this step 10 times. Once you're done, slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. You should have a total of 60 stitches in this round. For round 3, switch to any color you like. Start with 1 single crochet, then chain 3. Repeat this sequence, 1 single crochet followed by 3 chains, all the way around for a total of 60 times. Once you finish, slip stitch to close the round. Next, grab your green yarn to crochet the receptacle part. Let's move on and create the base that will hold the petals of your carnation. Start with 5 single crochet in a magic ring. When you finish a round, make sure to do a slip stitch in the first stitch to close it off. Then chain 1 to start the next round. For round 1 of the receptacle, make an increase in every stitch. This means you'll do 2 single crochets in each stitch around. For rounds 2 to 4, simply single crochet in each stitch around. You should have a total of 10 stitches in each round. For round 5, in the first stitch, do 1/2 double crochet and 1 double crochet. Then create a chain 1 picote. After that, do 1 double crochet, 1/2 double crochet, and 1 slip stitch in the next stitch. Repeat this sequence a total of 5 times around. You've finished the base part of your carnation. Now, you can move on to leaf part. Begin by chaining 8. For round 1, place the wire in the next chain. And crochet in the back loop. Make 1 single crochet. One half double crochet. And 3 double crochets. Then, make 1 half double crochet. One single crochet. And 1 slip stitch. Bending the wire as you go. Next, chain 1. Insert the hook into 2 loop. Slip stitch again. And make 1 single crochet. One half double crochet. And 3 double crochets. Finish with 1 half double crochet. 1 single crochet. And slip stitch into the first stitch to complete the leaf. Cut the yarn can fasten off. Once you've finished the leaves, cut off any leftover yarn. Then, carefully weave all the tails to the end part of your work, using a yarn needle to secure them in place. Using the same pattern, make 2 leaves. Follow the same steps for the second leaf, ensuring the wire is inserted into the chain and the stitches are worked the same way. Now, let's assemble the flower. Take the wire and gently insert it into the middle of the petals. Position the petals around the base of the flower. Once you're happy with the arrangement, use green yarn to roll around the wire. And attach the leaves below the base of the flower. After securing the 2 leaves, continue rolling the yarn to cover the rest of the wire, making sure it's neatly wrapped and secure. Now your beautiful carnation flower is complete. I hope you enjoyed this project and are happy with how it turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting!